Today we are unboxing my new multimeter, Mercury MTM01, and this is our box with all information about this equipment. On back side we have, I think, full technical specs, nicely represented. And let's see what is inside of this nice box. So this is our manual, nice print, full information how to use it. Multimeter itself, by the way, very nicely wrapped all around. And a lot of functions and very nice range all of measurements. After that we have leads, quite standard leads, red and black. New battery, 9 volts for operation, and a special adapter for testing of transistors. And I think it should be connected exactly here. That's it. This is what we have in the box. Thank you.